Today's recipe is a banger. This recipe I'm about to share with you right now will help you to solve those your hair problems, struggle no more, and also search no more. This recipe is all you need to solve those your hair problems like thinning hair fall, hair shedding, especially your edges. So if you are tired of trying things on your hair problems, you are not getting results, I kid you not, this particular recipe is a solution to that. Just make sure you watch the video to the end, follow the full instruction for better results.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like.
But after using this powerful India herbal remedy for just 7 days, your hair will start getting thicker, stronger, and fuller. And this is not onion, is not rice water, is not aloe vera. This is a deep herbal mist most people are sleeping on. So let's dive into the video.
I never really asked to be brought into this place.
If your hair is shedding, breaking, or not growing, you need to watch this video to the end because this remedy works direct from your roots. So now let me break down why those combination is so powerful, because this is not just random ingredient. Each one plays a special role in growing your hair faster and thicker. Now our first ingredient is onion peel. Onion peel is extremely rich in sulfur, which help boost collagen production, repair damaged hair follicles, and activate weak and damaged roots. That is why it's powerful for bald spots and thinning edges. Now I'm just using 1 full hand of my onion peel. That's why I say stop throwing away your onion peel. This onion peel is crazy. It's work like never before. As you can see, you don't need to spend money to achieve this onion peel. It's the same onion you're using to cook. Just peel off the onion peel and store it, then use it to grow your hair. Guys, you will never regret using onion peel on your hair. So what I just do is to wash my onion peel. After washing it, I transfer it to this my pot. Now moving on to our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is hibiscus. Guys, if you have not been using hibiscus on your hair, I don't know what else do you want to do, because hibiscus is known to deeply condition your hair, strengthen your weak strands, and make your hair look fuller and thicker. It also helps reduce breakage, so your hair actually retain length. Hibiscus flower can also help you to darken your hair over time. Don't joke with hibiscus flower, it works like never before. So I'm using my powder hibiscus flower. Just use half tablespoon of it. So if you're not using the powder one, just use 2 or 3 pieces of your hibiscus flower. Now our third ingredient is cloves. Cloves increase blood circulation to your scalp, deliver more nutrients to your roots, and speed up hair growth natural. I repeat, cloves speed up hair growth natural. This is what give your hair faster visible growth. Cloves is very active. I don't know why people saying that cloves are breaking off their hair. Guys, start cooperating cloves in a right way and you will never ever regret it. I kid you not, I am a testimony liver. Okay, so let me know if you're also a testimony liver, okay, on cloves. Now our third ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most powerful natural ingredients for stimulating hair regrowth, strengthening hair follicles, and helping with thinning hair. It works almost like a natural activator for hair regrowth treatment. So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my rosemary and 1 tablespoon of my cloves. Now moving on to the next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek seed is packed with protein and nicotinic acid, which help to reduce excessive hair shedding, strengthen the roots, and improve hair density over time. This is the key. If your hair is falling out a lot, fenugreek seed will help you to fix that problem. So now the last but not the least of our ingredient is black tea. Black tea contains caffeine, which helps to block hair loss hormones, strengthen hair strands, reduce shedding instantly. It also make your hair look darker, shiner, and healthier. Black tea work like magic. Guys, Now imagine when you combine all those ingredients together, you are not just treating the surface, you are activating your roots, strengthening your strands, boosting scalp circulation, and creating the perfect environment for faster, healthy hair growth. Do not joke with this recipe. This is why this is not just a normal hair remedy. This is a complete scalp treatment system. Okay, so after putting all these ingredients together, now let's boil this ingredient. The most important thing you must know that you don't need to boil this for a very long time. Just boil this for only about 10 to 15 minutes, and do not boil it in a high heat, please, so that you not kill the nutrients. If you finally kill the nutrients in the process of boiling it, this recipe you will not get that good result. So if you don't know how to control your heat while boiling your ingredients, I will advise you to do infused method, because infused method you are 100% sure that all the nutrients are safe. But if you can boil it, control the heat, know the process way to boil it to achieve all the nutrients from this powerful ingredient, go ahead and boil it. But if you don't know, please and please just do infused methods, so that you'll be 100% sure you are not losing any nutrient from this powerful ingredient we use today. So once it has boiled up to 10 minutes, I'll off my gas and bring it down. I like to cool down for some hours. This step is very important. It also allows the ingredient to release more nutrients into the water, making the water more super powerful. Secondly, you don't need to apply hot product on your hair, so you need to allow it to cool down. Okay, maybe you can leave yours to cool down like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It will definitely cool down, but for me, I leave mine to cool down up to 2 to 3 hours, because I want it super potent. Okay, so once after cooling down and after some hours, then I'll be needing a help of my shifter and a bowl to collect my powerful solution spray. Guys, this is all you need to grow down your hair like never before. As you can see, it's very simple to prepare, but if you can follow the full instruction and use this consistent, I kid you not, no more thinning hair, no more hair fall, no more hair shedding, no more stagnant growth. This India secret hair growth remedy will grow your hair like never before, 10 times faster. I'm not joking. Okay, so now I have transferred to my spray bottle. You see how darker it is. This is very rich, super potent, and super effective. So now the most important part again is the process of applying it. If you do not use this in a right way, I kid you not, after preparing it the correct way and use it in a wrong way, you will not get that good result. So now let me give you step-by-step guideline on how to use this, so that you can start getting visible results in only 7 days of using this consistent. Okay, now let me demonstrate to you how you can use this to solve those your hair problems. It's very simple, but make sure you follow the tips and it will definitely work a whole lot for you. Okay, so the first instruction I must tell you is to use it on a clean hair. Yes guys, dirty hair can never grow your hair. Secondly, this treatment is not a rinse out treatment. If you want to get good results, you must use it as a leave-in conditioner. So using it as a leave-in treatment, you must use it on a clean scalp of hair, so that you can get that good result. So if your hair is dirty or your wash day has done, so leave it. Whenever you wash your hair, prepare this recipe and start using it, so that you will get that good result with this recipe. Okay, so first thing, make sure you use it on a clean scalp. Okay, secondly, apply it directly on your scalp, especially your edges and your tiny areas. Make sure you massage it, okay, like 5 to 7 minutes. It's very important. I cannot emphasize scalp massage. Scalp massage work a whole lot. It helps blood flow to your scalp, help to increase the faster result with this recipe, and also help you to get faster growth and also thicken up your hair. Do not ever joke with scalp massage. Make sure you massage your scalp very well, okay? 5 to 7 minutes, you're okay. And thirdly, make sure you work this in very well on your hair, especially if your hair is on braid. Please, if you apply it on your scalp, your problem areas, also you can also apply it on your hair strands. It will help to thicken up your hair strands, okay, and also help to reduce breakage on your hair strands. So make sure you press it in very well so that it can penetrate very well into that your braid protective style or your mini twins. But braid is more difficult for product to penetrate in, so make sure you work it in very well so that your hair can absorb this powerful remedy very well, okay? After doing that, then the next thing you must do is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Please do not skip moisturizing your hair. Moisturizing your hair is very important with this recipe to avoid dryness. Please moisturize your hair with your leave-in conditioner, your butter and your oil, okay? Then make sure you oil your scalp. It's very important. Use only the oil on your scalp. Do not use leave-in conditioner on your scalp, please. You can use only your oil, then use your leave-in conditioner on your hair strands and your hair butter on your hair strands. Unless your hair butter is very lightweight, you can use a little amount. But if you don't know how to control it, preferable use your hair growth oil only on your scalp. Then you can use other ones on your hair strands, okay? The next thing you do is to cover up your hair. This is a bonus tip I'm giving to you now by covering up your hair. Allow your hair to steam up like 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Once it's over, then allow your hair to air dry. So follow this method to get faster results in only 1 week, okay? Your hair will grow like never before. Please and please do not rinse it out, okay? If you must rinse it out of your hair, allow it to sit on your hair overnight. Then the next day you can go ahead and rinse it out. But for me, you don't need to bother anything about rinsing it out, okay? So that if you want to get better results, use this, okay, without rinsing it out. You will never regret it, okay? So now to use this, you can use this 3 times to 4 times in a week. Yes, once you apply this on your hair 3 times or 4 times in a week, before that 1 week is over, you will start getting a little change on your hair, okay? You start getting results on your hair. This remedy helps to stop excessive hair shedding, strengthen weak roots, thicken your hair natural, fill in your thinning areas, boost faster and healthy growth, make your hair super healthy over time, okay? Just with consistent of using this, within a few days you start noticing stronger, less shedding, and your edges will start getting fuller, and that is when you know that this is working. Definitely this will work. If you follow the instruction, you will never ever regret it, okay? So if you are serious about growing your hair, comment hair growth right now, okay? And make sure you save this video so that you will not forget this recipe, and follow for more powerful remedy like this, okay? I love you guys so much. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, do wait to subscribe, like this video, share this video for more great videos that are coming on your way, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Adia. Bye.